Speaking of starting a blog in 2026, did you know that there are certain niches that can print money for the next decade, next 10 years straight? This video is for you. My name is Soumya Shankaran and I represent Bloggers Passion. In this video, we are going to look at the best niches that can print money for the next 10 years straight if you choose that niche. The first niche is going to be AI investing. You might think how come AI can change the perspective or change the approach that finance industry is already following. But did you know that there are robo advisors and also there are a lot of AI trading tools that are seeming to improve the way financing and also trading is happening. So right now with the boom of fintech startups, SaaS platforms and also the brokerage industry altering, so we are very sure that the next decade is going to be dominated by AI investing and algorithm based trading. So this is the first niche that I'm going to explain to you, and this has a high potential because you can also invest on a SaaS product, or you can also invest on the service, or you can simply blog about it and also do a video on YouTube about it. Multiple ways to earn money. The second niche is mental health and stress management. Since COVID, there has been an increase in the overall burnout rates, especially for millennials and Gen Z population. So, across the world, if you look at the overall Gen Z depression rates, the numbers are alarming and they are constantly looking out for solutions that can help them to stay depression free, anxiety free, and also lead a better quality of life. So, if you blog about this particular niche and you can also talk about practical coping systems, not just about motivation quotes, but if you're a psychologist or if you want to blog about this and explain people on how to overcome different scenarios, that is going to be a great winner. And this is a great niche if you're going to plan for it. And this is the perfect time. The third niche is productivity tools and automation. Who does not want things to be automated? In 2025, you can see that N8N is particularly dominating the automation field, mainly because your regular workflow can be automated. Who wants to invest on a human resource when the AI can do it picture perfect? Yes. So that is dominating, and you can talk about it, you can blog about it, you can create solutions on it and sell it as a SaaS product, or you can sell it on a subscription based product. So there are multiple avenues, and when you are going to like blog about this particular productivity tool and also like automating different things, there are founders, enterprises, teams and also freelancers constantly looking out for solutions. If you take one particular use case and begin to derive a solution for that in terms of automation or maximizing the productivity tool, you are strongly going to be the winner for the next decade at least. The next niche is all about personal finance and side hustles. Well, personal finance has been one particular niche that has been dominant since 2010s. But of late, along with that, is side hustles. That is mainly because the cost is rising across the world. Your day to day cost is rising, education cost is rising, the overall cost of living is at a peak high. So, in that case, people are constantly looking out for side hustles irrespective of the age. People do not just wanted to save, but they wanted to diversify the income streams. A blog around it, a YouTube channel around it, or a course around it, or an affiliate product around it, or a financial tool or a newsletter around it. There are multiple options by which you can monetize this, but this is a great niche, and you can talk about sustainable side hustles that will work or you are already working on, so that will bring in a lot of people to invest on that. So side hustle is going to be an evergreen niche at least for the next 10 years. The fifth niche is crypto and blockchain. This was particularly booming during COVID era, but right now this is still booming and the cost per Bitcoin is constantly increasing, which is a clear sign that crypto trading is here to sustain at least for the next few decades. So, how can you blog about this? You can talk about how you particularly trade, or you can compare platforms. There are many other ways, or you can also run an education consultancy and also blog about this on your particular experience or about the results. So there are multiple ways by which you can take this up as a career. One, as a trader and blogging about it, and also blogging about it as a video. And the fourth thing is selling it to people as a product or as a service to people. So all of these are going to work. And in all the five niches that we have been looking at so far, all of these have multiple income streams for you, not just with blogging, but also with multiple other streams. You can certainly keep printing money every day. The sixth niche is longevity and biohacking. If you look at the overall, the world's population rate, the population is increasing, but the longevity rate is decreasing. Have you ever wondered the reason? That is because of the various health conditions that evolve over the period. And right now, the healthcare is constantly inventing newer tools to prevent certain conditions rather than fixing them. So prevention is better than cure, goes a saying. But right now, healthcare industry is investing on it. And right now, there are multiple areas where longevity and biohacking comes into picture. One of them being improving metabolism and also improving the overall sleep and mental clarity, reducing the mental load. So all of these areas are where you can blog about it and also you can talk about it. You can offer services around it. So it's basically more on testing. There are tools, there are coaching, there are supplements, but you can also blog about it. People are looking out for solutions. So if you can give that solution through your blog, nothing like it. And most importantly, this is an evergreen niche that can keep printing money and also keep printing solutions every day to people. This has high impact when you reach out to people. And the last niche and most important one is personal branding. You have AI, you have automation, you have tools, and there are multiple things that are going to fake things. There are deep fake videos and multiple other things where people get confused between the reality and the virtual elements. So in this case, personal branding is becoming very, very important to entrepreneurs and also individuals in general. Your original self is required and you can build it through your blog. So you can create a personal brand on LinkedIn or you can create a personal brand using a blog, talk about your niche and constantly tell people about how you are doing through that particular blog. So there are many ways by which you can brand and you can attract creators, consultants and also SaaS tool people. So author developers and multiple other stakeholders in the same niche. The best part is that if you create personal branding, if you focus on personal branding today, it is going to pay you forever. So yes, that comes to the end of the video and we have seen 7 niches that can print money for the next 10 years if you start blogging today. So now, which niche is your favorite? What are you going to blog about? Let us know in the comment section below. See you in the next video.